If your power trips off in your property, locate your fuse board and you'll find the trip switch is in the off position. If it's in the off position, try and reset it. If it doesn't reset, go around, unplug all of your appliances, come back to your fuse board, put the trip switch back on. If it stays on, go around each appliance one at a time, plug everything back in and switch them on one at a time. If that trips off again, chances are it's your appliance. So plug everything else back in, switch everything else on and leave that off, and you should be good to go. If this doesn't resolve it, contact us and we'll send an electrician out.